Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. We've been selling a bunch of our Tundra bumpers, but we do have a lot of customers that are calling in and saying, hey, I want a little more information. I want to see one on the truck. I want to hear you talk about it. I want to know some of this more information on the bumper before I decide to spend that kind of money and pull the trigger. So here we're going to dive into the bumper, and I'm going to go over some of the stuff with you on what it takes to install this bumper and what this bumper is all about. So come on over here and let's take a look. So a lot of thought went into designing this bumper. We wanted to make sure the bumper matched the radius here on the side, on both sides, and we wanted to make sure that the line was nice and clean if it was cut properly. Well, people said, oh, well, where's the cut line in the bumper? Through the center of the sensor, right through the middle here, and then right through the side of the sensor through the middle here. And we thought that would be a great way to do a tape line on it. So it made it really nice and easy to almost as a guide on all the way across on that. I also had some people say, hey, do I reuse my TRD skid plate? Does this go over the factory bumper? No, it doesn't go over the factory bumper. And no, you don't reuse your skid plate. This actually comes with two skid plates. It comes with a front skid plate that goes from the front here down underneath the differential. And then it has an overlay from the second skid plate to back over the transmission. So it comes with two skid plates. Is really, at the end of the day, it really makes it really nice because you've got a lot more protection back underneath the truck. We wanted to make sure that this bumper didn't look like you just ran it into a wall and the skid plate was straight up and down. We wanted to have a really nice angle here. So if you did go down an embankment and it did bottom the truck out or skid the truck, it's not going to bend or add more force to it. It's actually kind of push itself off. And then you can see we actually bent the skid plate up the side here, and we bent that to give a little more protection, keep stuff from getting up underneath in the skid plate, and then actually adds a lot of strength to the bumper and the skid plate as well. Here are the factory mounts right here. The aluminum reinforcement, it does get removed. This bumper actually gets mounted to that reinforcement bar. So you've got a front bumper that replaces that. You can see the design down here in the front. That basically matches the design in this, and that matches the design in the TRD Pro grills. We put a lot of thought in this, trying to tie this all in so it looked like it could be OEM or OEM plus. This particular bumper does not interfere with the sensor, the camera, or anything like that. The other one will have the light come up on the dash. If you've got big lights here that block this, the light will come on, and you just have to push OK on the dash. It'll go back off. But yes, it is blocking the sensor, so it sees that when you cycle the key on the car. It's just one of those things, if you decide to run lights in the front with the light bar bracket, then yes, you'll have to push OK on the dash. A lot of thought went into this. We wanted it to follow and flow on the front of the vehicle here. We wanted you to be able to use the factory sway bar. I've seen a lot of bumpers out there and a lot of different things that people do. My very first bumper that I did back in 2019 was on my Tundra pre-runner that I did, was a pre-runner bumper. So we haven't done any bumpers, but I'm always that pre-runner kind of guy. The pre-runner kind of look is the look that I like. Super clean, smooth, simple, but also very effective. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this added some information that maybe makes your decision a little bit easier if you decide this is the bumper for you, or no, it's not the bumper for you. I'd rather people figure it out now than get the bumper and be like, yeah, it's not really what I wanted. So at the end of the day, if you say, hey, I love the bumper, it works really well, and it's very functional looking, and it's very simple to install. So not a lot of work here. So if you got any questions, please feel free to comment below. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please get subscribed to our channel. Love for you to share some of this new stuff and some other stuff that we have coming here in the future.